Today we're making Taiwanese pork chops. And the ingredients that we'll be using are fresh garlic. So I have here 7 cloves, 5 spice powder. 5 spice powder actually contains star anise, fennel seeds, pepper, cloves, and cinnamon. We'll also be using soy sauce and white sugar. So let's start off by getting our garlic press. And pressing that garlic. And we have here a mixing bowl. Next, let's add in the 5 spice. So don't put too much because this is quite strong. Should be enough. And then let's add some white sugar. About a tablespoon. And soy sauce. And mix it in. Add in a bit more black pepper if you want. Okay. So that's ready. Okay, next, I have here 1.6 kilos of pork chops. So this is 9 slices. What you need to do is to score the pork chop, like so. About 3 slices on each side. So what this does is when you cook it, it helps to keep the pork chop straight. Otherwise, it's going to curl up. Okay. Next step is to marinate the pork chops. So I have here a separate container, and this is the marinade that we made earlier. So just get your pork chop pieces, dip both sides inside. Make sure everything is well coated. Then put it in the container. So just pour the excess inside. And then we leave this to marinate for at least 4 hours or overnight. That's even better. Okay, so our pork chops have been marinating overnight. And I prepared here our flour mixture. So this is equal parts of flour, all-purpose flour, and cornstarch. I also added salt, pepper, and a bit of the 5 spice powder. Next step is we coat our pork chops with the flour mixture. So you can use your hands for this, or you can use tongs if you like. So coat it evenly. And then shake off the excess. I also preheated the pan here with about a half an inch of oil. Okay, so just put it in. Just use low heat. After frying for about 5 minutes on one side, you can start to check. Okay, so maybe a bit more. Okay, so these have been frying for about 6 minutes on one side. When you flip them over, that's already a golden brown color, so that's what you want. Same here. So fry that for another 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Let's check the other side. Okay, so these should be good already. Let the oil drain first. Okay, let the oil drain and let the meat rest for a few minutes before you slice into it. Last part is let's taste. So this is served best with rice. Let's slice into one of these pork chops. So it's cooked through. Let's taste. It's best to marinate the pork chop overnight because the flavor has gone inside the meat, and as you bite into it, you can really taste the flavor of the 5-spice. And as a dipping sauce for this, you can use vinegar with chili. Some people eat it with ketchup, but I like to eat it by itself. And we're done for the day.